Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this could be our first real hands-on video experience with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to the latest available data, real-life Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is unpacked here and shows razor-thin bezels of the upcoming flagship phone. Rounded design meets the world's thinnest bezels. Launch date, fresh design stuff, and new specs are here. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S25 series is around the corner, with Samsung expected to hold the next Unpacked event in late January 22nd. Ahead of the rumored launch timeline, a real-life video and image of the S25 Ultra has leaked, showcasing the phone's razor-thin bezels. Samsung is rumored to hold its new Unpacked event later this month, with the possible date being January 22nd. Recent leaks have already given a proper idea of what to expect from the upcoming flagship phones, and now, a new leak has shown the razor-thin bezels of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The video source profile name is Abbas is Genius on X. As per the real-life video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it seems that the flagship phone will indeed come with razor-thin bezels. While the alleged real-life photo doesn't show the entire device, the part of it shown also reveals the rumored rounded corners. Of course, the image shared does appear to be altered to some extent. To be specific, the alleged real-life photo of the Galaxy S25 Ultra shows the right side of the device, and there appear to be no buttons. This shouldn't be the case, as the right side of the phone should have the volume rocker and the power button. Another weird aspect of this leaked photo is that Ice Universe appears to have deleted the post through which the leaker shared this photo. It's likely because the leaker didn't want to handle any backlash from Samsung for leaking a real-life image of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Regardless, a good number of credible reports have already hinted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have thinner bezels than its predecessor. More specifically, past reports hinted that there would be a 30% or more reduction in terms of bezel thickness, and the last-gen flagship phone already has relatively thin bezels. Another key aspect revealed by the alleged real-world image of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a flat display. This again was reported by leakers before. In any case, all these leaks should be taken with a decent amount of salt, regardless of how credible they may seem. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.